It's pretty amazing knowing from where we were 25, 30 years ago to the capabilities of the machines today. It's quite amazing.
Well, that's just what I would have expected from Caterpillar, and the whole effort on the part of Carolina Cat has been outstanding. Our guys are really enjoying the opportunity to come and learn more about what Caterpillar is offering.
Well, it helps you get it done faster, and you're seeing what you're doing immediately. You know that you're on grade. And
several things I like, but primarily the Safe Link feature here on the loader here behind us. I really like that for the protection of the people on the job and protection of the equipment and other facilities on the job.
I think CAT has really stepped up and done some really innovative things. It really helps for the quality of the operator. Don't have to be as good, and it's a big step in the safety advancement also.